Welcome to 2019. It's January and we're starting off the year with our dessert of the month. And this month it's going to be an orange ricotta cake with marinated strawberries. It's one of my personal favorites, even though it's one that I've only been using for a couple of years. I hope you enjoy it too. Well, it's January 2019 and we're going to start out the year with our dessert of the month. And this year's dessert is an orange ricotta cake with marinated strawberries. It's one of my favorites. We've been doing it for several years now and my family loves it. So to begin with, we're going to have a cup and a half of butter, a cup and a half of ricotta cheese, and a cup and a half of granulated sugar. And you're going to beat that until it's nice and smooth and fluffy. And then to that, you're going to add 3 eggs, one at a time, till it's mixed together perfectly. A teaspoon of vanilla and a tablespoon of grated orange zest. And the dry ingredients are going to be a cup and a half of cake flour, not regular flour. Regular flour is too heavy. This is a lighter flour. A 2.5 teaspoons of baking powder and a teaspoon of salt. And you're going to add that in 3 segments so that it gets nice and incorporated into the wet mixture. And then you're going to put that in a pre-prepared buttered cake pan and pop it in the oven at 350 for approximately 50 minutes until you can put a toothpick in the center and it comes out dry. Okay, and you want to take the orange that you zested earlier and just kind of squeeze it over the strawberries. And use the whole orange. And we're going to take a 1/4 cup of sugar and put in there. And then mix. And let sit for 30 minutes. When the cake comes out of the oven, the strawberries will have macerated enough where they've released all their juices, and it'll make it for a tasty cake. Okay, we're going to check this cake out. Let's get it with a toothpick. Nice and dry. It's ready to be removed from the oven. So here the cake is, the finished product. And we're just going to cut a nice wedge. Ladle some of the berries and the juice over the top. And enjoy.